Take 5. It's getting really annoying. Okay. Okay, you need size for this first part. Because if you don't have size, you can't get the first coin. I mean, the second coin, not the first. Okay. Tip, kill those Koopas. It'll be easier. Oh, whoops. Grab that coin. Oh, whoops. See, they just randomly shoot you. Those tubes are annoying. Okay, go up. Okay, not gonna kill, but zap. There. That way, I can stay on this side, which will allow me to get the second coin. See, that's why you need to have size, because you need to risk one of you. You need to risk it there. Gotta risk it. Okay. Oh, goody. Back up. Okay. Okay, and jump up there. Oh gosh, oh gosh. Okay, grab the star coin. Grab the star coin. Jump down. Hop over there. Okay, get annoyed. Just wait for the Koopa there. Get up there. Oh. Destroy those blocks. Okay. This may take a while to get this next coin because it's annoying and hard. Because you need to be quick. Normally, I'm not. Oh my god, I did it. Oh my god, I don't believe I just did that in one try. So there's your star coin. Go through this door. And go over here. And I don't know why, but I feel like going up here. I feel like killing some Koopas. And I think there's something secret up there. Can't remember. No, there's not. Okay, go through the doors and take on Bowser Jr. This time it's in a watery area. But again, just shoot him with your fire. Oh, I didn't even know we could do that. And he again hops off into the castle. He sounds like a mouse with those squeaky shoes or whatever he's wearing. I don't even think he's wearing anything. Could save. Okay, see you next time in this level. Underwater. Yeah.